Maybe. Yeah. Some of the people that play with you can be a little bit rough sometimes, so that's very possible. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Well, just calling it like I see it.
Feet sticking up and no arm part of his body.
Rappelina, are you okay?
A few moments earlier.
Hi, Squeak.
Hi.
Oh, you're not Squeak.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm not Squeak.
His name is Squawk.
My name is Squawk.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought you were Squeak.
No, I'm Squawk. I'm Squeak's boyfriend.
Oh.
Yeah, hey, how's it going?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
This is Rappelina.
Hi, Rappelina.
Hi.
Yeah, hey, how's it going?
My friend Rappy is at work.
Oh, I know Rappy. Yeah, we work together. I'm just off today. Yeah.
This is Fluffosaurus.
Hey, Fluffosaurus. I heard about you.
Oh.
Good work with the meteor situation, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
We almost got extinct there.
I know. Thanks for helping us all out.
You saw pictures of Fluffosaurus. She thought it was much smaller.
Okay. Yeah, you're much bigger than I would have thought. I thought you were much smaller in the pictures, based on the pictures. Yeah.
I think he's this big now.
Yeah, I thought you were like my height. You're much bigger than I would have thought.
Oh, I'm not just that big.
Oh wow, you're huge. Yeah, look at that. Wow.
I'm almost the size of a T-Rex.
Yeah, you're big. Yeah, wow.
I can ride her.
Yeah.
Hey, why did you do that for? There's something white on my face.
There's something white on your face. Uh-oh, is that paint?
I don't think so. Let me just eat that. It won't come off.
Maybe it's a little birthmark, from when you were made.
Oh.
And it's not coming off.
Maybe they were supposed to get tan, but they got white.
Yeah, when you
they
were
dripped it on them.
right. When you were born in that factory overseas,
The toy factory.
the toy factory, yeah. Then they must have
In the pool area.
gotten the wrong paint there.
I might have been in the pool area, but wait, I might have been in the dining area.
Yeah.
Wait, maybe my paint just came off.
Maybe. Yeah. Some of the people that play with you can be a little bit rough sometimes, so that's very possible. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Well, just calling it like I see it.
Feet sticking up and no arm part of his body.
Rappelina, are you okay?